Hello, this is Joe Pryor, the virtual real estate team in Oklahoma, where we specialize in new residential construction for investors in the Oklahoma City and the Tulsa market. Now, if you listened to me last month in November, you knew that we had a special from two builders, the two largest builders in the United States. And you had to be under contract by the end of November, closed by the end of December. We did fantastically well with both builders. I'm very excited, I'm very thankful for the investors that just keep coming back and buying more. And these deals were incredible. We had like a 4.99% fixed interest rate on one builder, 3.875 on an adjustable rate mortgage fixed for 7 years. The other one, 5.25%. We had discounts, we had extras. It was a fantastic thing. Well, it's gone, but guess what? It's been extended, all right? They did fabulously well. They don't want to close anything more in December. They want to now start the year off right, closing in January. So now we have these deals for you if you go under contract in December and close by the end of January. This is a war going on between these two builders to be number one and number two, and especially in the Oklahoma City and Tulsa markets. And what happened is the second largest builder bought a regional builder. They became the largest builder in Oklahoma, and the largest builder wants to come back and say, no, you're not. So we love these kinds of things. So now we have these specials. You get these low interest rates, you get extras, you get discounts on homes if you go under contract now. And so the reason why they do this is I've worked with these builders for 14 years, all right, or more. And so they know our reputation, they know it's turnkey. They know that we close 100% of our investors, which is fantastic because if you look at owner occupants, about at least 10% don't close. And Discovery, they find out they can't give them a loan. So they love us in that particular reason, especially at the end of the year and the first of the year when owner occupants are not buying. So they've given us these deals for you to close. They also know that our property management, which is crucial, is second to none. In other words, no complaints from homeowners associations. No complaints from builders, no complaints for owner occupants because we do due diligence in the property management. And so they have a lot of confidence in us. So the only caveat to this, the only problem with this is despite the $40 to $60 million that they're putting in these programs to buy these loans up front down a full percentage point or more, once the money runs out, it's done. In other words, it's a fixed amount of money that they do at particular times. Now's the time they want to do it because it's the fourth quarter when business is slower and the first of the year when business is slower. So my recommendation to you is get a hold of us. Let us talk to you about these programs because we have new homes starting in the $220,000 price range with positive cash flow. In fact, with that adjustable rate mortgage, we can give you $350 to $450 a month positive cash flow after all your expenses. This is fantastic. So understand that they have confidence in us. They love doing business with me. They have an experience that goes year after year that's very, very positive. We want you to share in this. This is a great time to buy. If you close in January, we're going to do a 13, 14-month lease to get you into March, April, so that you're in the springtime. This is how we work. Let us know. We have some fantastic deals right now, a lot of positive cash flow on everything that we offer. So we're happy to do a Zoom meeting with you, create a plan for you. Let us know.